What is going on today, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are definitely looking at the Wall Street favorites out here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. To start things off, Bitcoin on the daily looking absolutely stunning. If this thing was a prom date right there, I'd take it to prom. Look at that. Anyways, everybody who was scared for the last 3 days of a pullback, I think the fears can go away. News came out today about the port, or actually last night, about the port strike ending until January 15th. We had jobs report come out way better than expected because we're living in the golden age here in America. There's no job loss at all. There's only job creation and people having more money than they say they do. And I'm not going to talk about the data, but based off the data, people are trading off of it. And looking like Uptober is back in full swing, baby. So here on the stochastic, we did reset fully, which is great. We held the 50 simple moving average, which looks like we could be going up and testing that 200 once again in the very near future. Fantastic. Looking like your relative strength is back in neutral territory, which is absolutely amazing. So Bitcoin literally sitting on the heart line from previous all-time highs in this weird little channel that it had. And yeah, we are finding a lot of support today. So this is nice. Let's see how it rallies on throughout the day. Checking out your weekly. Weekly, your stochastic did start to move up. Your relative strength still sitting in neutral territory. Your weekly candle, we literally have a few days for this thing to come back up, so we are not bearishly engulfing. Because if we do bearish engulf, well, we can see what happened last time we bearish engulfed. We wicked all the way down here. That was terrible. So hopefully the bulls can step in and really push this price up for the weekly. Anyways, moving on to the ugly stepchild of Ethereum. I know. There's some people out there that hate me for saying it. It's just, come on. We have Ethereum out here just going slower than Bitcoin and Solana. Are we for real? Yeah, ugly stepchild. Anyways, checking out the weekly. We are holding the 200 weekly moving average, so I guess that is definitely positive. Low stochastic, just neutral on your relative strength for the weekly. Checking out your daily, so your daily, we have to get back above the supply line. That's number one. That is number one. After we get above the supply line, we then have to contest with the 50 simple moving average. After we do that, then we have to break the 25.15 level. And yeah, hey, positive though, we have a higher low. So two bad things and a nice thing. That's moving on to Solana. Now, Solana did something ugly. It fell back in here. But you want to know what Solana did? It did not touch your supply line. It held this red box. Yeah, you guys can see why I'm not a big fan of Ethereum right now. But yeah, so Solana still on the table, still looking to get up to $251 and contesting with those all-time highs, possibly at 260. So Solana, you're still set up beautifully. You just get to sit back and see what happens. Looking good, looking darn good. And if Bitcoin keeps doing what it's doing, you're gonna see Solana do extremely well. Checking out your weekly. Neutral on relative strength. Low stochastic. I need to stop looking at the weekly, honestly. It changes like monthly. I need to stop doing that. But anyways, on the weekly, we could see the most bullish backtest of our lives, which would be a backtest of this structure, which then we're probably going to see a lot of upside. So I'm really interested to see what happens come Sunday. Markets are looking a lot better off the news we just got, but keep in mind there's a couple things we got to worry about. There was a bombing from Israel over there in Syria that happened to hit a Russian base. That's unfortunate. And then on top of that, the hurricane situation here in America, that's ongoing. But the other problems that we had basically just got wiped away. So Uptober back on, baby. Anyways, this is what I see out of these particular 3 tokens, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. You guys can make your own decisions on what could be happening in the near future. Me personally, I'm leaning bullish. I think things are about to go up. Anyways, if you guys need a place to trade these, or if you just want to sit back and get some possible passive gains, you could join the partner exchange Jumpex. Link is in the description down below. If you want to do the copy trading, just search for my name. It's a great way to support the channel. Another way you can support the channel is like and subscribe. Yeah, that would be fantastic. Also, in the links down below, you'll find my Twitch link where I do go live. I try to do twice a day. In reality, I do a lot more once a day. And on top of that, we do have a link to Discord, so you can join the community. When I do find great trade setups, I post them in there, so definitely pay attention to that tab. You can also drop any requests that you like, either in the comments below or in the Discord, and if the chart looks really good, I will definitely make a video on it. If it looks meh and there's a lot of uncertainty there, I'll probably just post a chart in the Discord where you request it and tell you my insight. Anyways, I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Keep those stop losses tight.